Welcome student in Christchurch Convent School digital classes class 11 chapter 1st subject chemistry. Now today we'll see the meaning of word stoichiometry. It is derived from two Greek words, stoichion meaning element, which are present in the periodic table. There are 118 elements in the periodic table, and metron meaning measure them or to calculate them from periodic table. Now, stoichiometry deals with the calculation of masses, sometimes volume also, of the reactant and the product involved in a chemical reaction. And for this, we need to remember periodic table, atomic number of the element, their atomic masses from periodic table. And this is done using a balanced chemical equation. Now, first of all, we'll see what is chemical reaction. You might have studied in class 10th also, so just a quick revision. A chemical reaction takes place whenever a chemical change occurs. Means new product is formed. So reactant take part in a chemical reaction and they form new product during a chemical change. For example, magnesium metal burn in presence of oxygen, it form magnesium oxide. So magnesium and oxygen are the reactant and the product is magnesium oxide in this case or in this reaction. Reactants are the substance which undergo chemical change in the reaction. What are products? Products are the new substance formed during the reaction. For example, in the above example we have seen magnesium metal when burned in presence of oxygen gas, it gives us magnesium oxide. In this equation, magnesium and oxygen are reactant and magnesium oxide is the product. Now we'll see how it is used, stoichiometry. Now what is a balanced chemical reaction? According to law of conservation of mass, which is also the first law of chemical combination, mass or matter can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. That is, the total mass of the element present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the element present in the reactant. So you can see the two example given below. The number of atoms in each of the element remains same before and after the chemical reaction given below. A, for example, 2 magnesium plus O2, 2 MgO2 arrow 2 MgO. And example B is zinc metal plus, when zinc metal react with sulfuric acid H2SO4, it will gives us zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Now balanced chemical equation in stoichiometry. For example, when methane CH4 react with two molecules of oxygen gas, that is 2O2 arrow, it will gives you CO2 plus 2H2O in gram. So the above reaction gives the information as follows. 1 mole of CH4 gas or methane gas react with 2 moles of oxygen gas O2 gas to give 1 mole of CO2 gas and 2 moles of H2O, or in the form of gas. Water is in the form of gas means water vapor, it is H2O. So we can also say this like 1 mole of CH4 react with 2 molecules of O2. 1 molecule of CH4 react with 2 molecules of O2 to give 1 molecule of CO2 and 2 molecules of H2O in the gaseous form. Both are in the gaseous form. And if we calculate molecular mass from the periodic table with the help of periodic table, so for CH4 methane gas, the molecular mass become 16 gram because carbon has mass 12 plus 4 atoms of hydrogen are there, so 1 multiplied by 4. So if you do total in CH4, 12 plus 4, you will get 16 gram. Similarly, the atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16, so O2 will be, that means mass of 2 atoms of oxygen will be 32. But in this reaction 2 molecules of oxygen gas are used, so this becomes 2 into 32 means 64 gram. To give 44 gram of CO2 and 2 into 18 gram of H2O. So the molecular mass of CO2 is 44 because carbon 12 and oxygen is 32. O2 32 plus 12 you will get 44. With the help of periodic table you can calculate. And H2O is 18 gram. Hydrogen, due to hydrogen 2 hydrogen atom 2 plus oxygen, due to oxygen it is 16. 16 plus 2 you will get 18, but in equation H2 is multiplied by 2, so we have to multiply weight 18 gram by 2. So if a chemical reaction written, balanced chemical reaction written in front of you, so you can analyze it in the terms of moles, in the terms of molecules, and in the terms of molecular mass also. So the balanced chemical equation in stoichiometry can be analyzed on the three bases: mole, molecules, and molecular mass. So this is stoichiometry to you. Now one problem is given to you: calculate the amount of water in gram produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane. So the same reaction, the balanced equation for combustion of methane is CH4 in form of gas plus 2O2 gas, arrow CO2 in the form of gas plus 2H2O. So again, stoichiometric interpretation of the above equation is, you can easily see 16 gram of CH4. How 16 gram of CH4? Carbon is 12, atomic mass is 12, carbon element or atom of carbon atom, and 4 hydrogen are there, so 4 multiplied by 1. So 4 plus 12 you will get 16 gram. So 16 gram of methane corresponds to 1 mole. So in the question they have given you the combustion of 16 gram of methane, means 1 mole of methane burns in presence of 2 moles of oxygen gas, and it gives you, from the product side you can see 2H2O. So you have to calculate the amount of water. So molecular mass of water is 18. How it is 18? Hydrogen atom is 2 and multiply hydrogen atom का atomic mass 1 है, multiplied by 2 plus oxygen atom का atomic mass 16 है. You can see the periodic table also. So you will get 16, but 2 moles are formed of water, so you have to multiply 2 into 18. So 2 mole of water H2O is equal to 36 gram of water, is equivalent to 36 gram of water. So hence 2 mole of H2O will be equal to 36 gram of H2O. So amount of water in the form of gas produced by the combustion of 16 gram of methane gas is equal to 36 gram H2O. So this is stoichiometry for you. For this you need to remember periodic table, atomic masses of the element. If you remember the atomic number of the element, you may just double the atomic number, so you will get atomic mass, but only for the few element. So this much for the today's video. See you in the next video with different topic.